Hello automotive enthusiast. 2026 Subaru Outback Wilderness, technical review of precision lift kits and chassis tuning. The Subaru Outback was never supposed to be this aggressive. For years, it was the quiet hero of mountain roads, snowstorms, and weekend camping trips. Reliable, practical, safe. But the 2026 Outback Wilderness is trying to become something very different. Because now Subaru wants this lifted wagon to survive terrain that normally belongs to dedicated off-road trucks. And honestly, that's a dangerous engineering challenge. At first glance, the Outback Wilderness looks tougher. More ground clearance, chunkier tires, more aggressive body cladding. But underneath the rugged styling is where the real story begins. Subaru completely recalibrated the chassis geometry to handle technical off-road abuse without destroying the balance that made the Outback comfortable on pavement. And that matters more than most people realize. Because lifting a vehicle isn't just about making it taller. The moment ride height changes, everything changes. Roll centers shift. Axle articulation behaves differently. Weight transfer becomes more unpredictable. Done poorly, a lift kit can ruin stability completely. But Subaru approached the Wilderness like a precision engineering project. The long-travel suspension geometry has been tuned to maximize wheel movement during uneven climbs while maintaining composure during highway driving. That's incredibly difficult to balance. Then come the reinforced subframes and heavy-duty dampers. These upgrades aren't cosmetic. They exist because harsh terrain creates violent stress loads that standard crossover hardware simply cannot survive long-term. So we pushed the Wilderness into technical climbs, off-camber trails, and deep articulation zones where chassis tuning gets exposed instantly. And surprisingly, the suspension remains remarkably controlled. The wheels maintain traction across loose surfaces while the recalibrated dampers absorb impacts without making the vehicle feel unstable or floaty. It still feels unmistakably Subaru. Just tougher. More deliberate. More mechanically confident. And that's what makes this vehicle interesting. Because unlike oversized hardcore off-roaders that sacrifice comfort entirely, the Outback Wilderness is trying to preserve everyday usability while quietly becoming far more capable underneath. Even the steering retains that predictable Subaru character despite the increased ride height and all-terrain setup. That level of tuning precision matters. Especially for buyers who actually use these vehicles in snow, gravel, mountain terrain, and unpredictable weather year-round. Inside, the Wilderness still delivers the practical cabin Subaru owners expect. Durable materials. Functional technology. Adventure-ready design without unnecessary luxury gimmicks. It feels engineered for real use instead of social media aesthetics. The 2026 Subaru Outback Wilderness isn't pretending to be a full-size rock crawler. It's doing something smarter. It's refining the mechanical formula that made the Outback legendary while pushing its off-road capability further than ever before. And if Subaru truly perfected this chassis tuning and suspension geometry, the Wilderness may quietly become one of the most balanced adventure vehicles on the market today.